The controversy around the tomb of the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb is once again in the headlines. And this after descendants of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj sought the removal of Aurangzeb's tomb from the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar district. The Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, has backed this move. He says the tomb should be removed as quickly as possible. Of course, due process of law must be followed. He also said that the Archaeological Survey of India was told to protect Aurangzeb's tomb. He claimed it was granted ASI protection when the Congress was in power. The Congress, on the other hand, has hit right back, rejecting all claims, saying it's unfair to blame the Congress for all that's wrong with Maharashtra. Shiv Sena, the Uddhav Thackeray faction, says this is the BJP trying new tactics to divert attention from all that's wrong with Maharashtra, especially the claims they had made on the Ladki Behna and other schemes and were unable to deliver. The Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray the faction says they want both the state and the central governments to ensure that due process is followed, what needs to be done is done, and not politicized. Listen in.
साहेब, आम्हालाही प्रत्येकाला असंच वाटतं, फक्त काही गोष्टी कायद्याने करावे लागतात कारण ती संरक्षित आहे. जुन्या काँग्रेसच्या काळामध्ये एएसआयचं संरक्षण मिळालंय.
जब हम कुछ नहीं बोल रहे तो ये पर्पसली हो रहा है क्या? छत्रपति का इतिहास जो है वो कम करने की या उसका इम्पोर्टेंस जो है वो ये करने की क्या बोलते हैं साजिश कोशिश है, या तो फिर ये एक स्वाभाविक भावना है कि अगर ऐसा होगा तो औरंगजेब की भी कब्र जो है वो महाराष्ट्र में नहीं रहनी चाहिए. तो इसमें कुछ ये नहीं है, गलत बात नहीं है कुछ.
तो लुटायला झाला होता, चोर होता तो, त्याचं उदात्तीकरण काय करायचं? कसे करतात हे काय? आणि जे लोक दर्शनाला जातात त्यांना सांगा घ्या, त्यांचे वंशज आहे का ते दर्शनाला जातात, घेऊन जा तुमच्या घरी ठेवा ना. मग नाही तर तुम्ही जावा, जे औरंगजेब कुठनं आला होता तुम्ही पण देश सोडून जावा. परत कोणतरी म्हणणार हिंदू मुस्लिमचा विषयच नाही या इथले. तुम्ही जर शिवाजी महाराजांचं संपूर्ण जर बघितलं, खोदून टाकाय नसतं काय, किती लागतं? एक जेसीबी मारला, खापकीन गेलं की गेलं, त्या टाकून कुठेतरी.
खबर को छुपाने के लिए कब्र की बात हो रही है. आप ही के हाथों में प्रशासन है, निकालिए, लेकिन वहां रखिए एक बोर्ड कि यहाँ जो जो महाराष्ट्र पे चल के आया उसे ऐसे ही दफनाया जाएगा. फिर वो औरंगजेब हो, सोलापुरकर हो, कोरटकर हो, या जो भी इस महाराष्ट्र के विरोध में काम करेगा.
वो कोई गलत मांग नहीं है. मेरा कहना ऐसा है, ये जो मांग है उसके बारे में सरकार ने सोचना चाहिए कि जिस औरंगजेब ने छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज जैसे हमारे राजा को तकलीफ दिया, उसके बाद संभाजी महाराज छत्रपति, उनका क्या हाल किया वो हमने देखा है. उसके बारे में हिंदुओं की और मराठी लोगों की भावना वैसी है, उसलिए हटाना चाहिए.
And I want to bring in India Today's Ritvik Bhalekar for more on this story. Ritvik, Aditya Thackeray had a very interesting take on this controversy around Aurangzeb's grave. He says, kabar se khabar dabane ki koshish hai. Explain to our viewers whether this controversy, right from the time that Abu Azmi raised Aurangzeb to the time when the BJP Shiv Sena government is in the line of fire over grants and fulfilling all the promises that had been made in elections, is that the real story?
Absolutely, Gaurav. We are seeing Aditya Thackeray saying kabar se khabar dabane ki koshish hai. That's because all the controversy and all the demands of demolishing or removing Aurangzeb's tomb is coming to the fore when budget session in Maharashtra is going on. And during this budget session, what we saw is the flagship schemes which were announced by Mahayuti government ahead of the assembly polls. Many of the budget cuts were seen. The poll promises are not fulfilled, and that's the reason Aditya Thackeray is saying that kabar se khabar dabane ki koshish ho rahi hai. We also saw that Mahavikas Aghadi alliance leaders, MLAs, even they are supporting the demand made by Mahayuti leaders and MLAs and ministers. But at the same time, they are trying to downplay this demand. The timing of this demand is what is of the concern, and they are saying that it's just being brought upon just to show that how the Kabar wala issue is more important than the budget which is being presented by Mahayuti Sarkar today.
Okay, we'll be tracking the story very, very closely.